do you have any funny stories of something you've heard that was just crazy in a deposition or in court?
So I don't know how crazy this was, but it was definitely the story that I think that I've ended up telling more often, especially given our unprecedented times. So in family court down where I practice, we have what are called case management conferences,
Mhm.
and they're automatically set, and we call them cattle calls. And so we have a big docket of cases that the judge hears, and they're fairly quick. It's just, hey, have you guys gone to mediation? Are you guys doing what you're supposed to do? Is there anything I can do to help get things moving?
Right.
So there will sometimes be roughly 60 to 80 parties in these Zoom calls since we're not in person. You
Right.
know, it looks like Hollywood Squares lit up.
Mhm.
And I had a case management conference and I represented the husband and his wife was in attendance as well. And these are all it's public. So you're seeing everybody on the screen. And I get on there and I'm in front of a fairly conservative judge in my circuit. And my client has a photo of Teletubbies as his background.
Okay. All right. All
And
right.
I sat, I mean, and it was just, and no one said a single word.
Mhm.
And it was hilarious because if you were looking at the screen, it was the judge, his wife right under the judge, and then him right under his wife. And so they were all just in the same shot. And his wife was just so well put together and professional looking and completely and wholly unamused. And he was furiously texting me saying, Kara, oh my God, I'm so sorry. I don't know how to change this. I had a Zoom call last night with buddies from work where we were supposed to have funny backgrounds. My kids
Those
aren't home.
Teletubbies,
I
obvious.
don't know what to do. But so we took testimony and conducted a case management conference with my client with Teletubbies behind him.
Yeah, that's I would kind of like to see that.
The ability, I have a photo, I can send you the photo.
Awesome.
The ability of the judge to just keep it together with a straight face. And I for sure thought that she would at least comment on it.
Right.
No, we completely glossed over, ignored the fact that there were Teletubbies hanging out behind him.